Okay, here I am about to demo my two 20th anniversary Macintoshes. On the right is TAM1, which is the more fully functional and complete, and on the left is TAM2. This one is really a spare parts machine. It's a little bit beaten up. So I'm going to power up and we can watch them boot. Listen out for both chimes, and starting from one Macintosh remote, it will boot them both. Takes a little while to get going, quite old computers. There we go. Now, TAM2, the computer on the left, will load quicker because there's an awful lot less extensions. TAM1 has a G3 500 MHz Sonnet card installed, and that takes quite a few seconds to load that extension in particular. There's also a USB and firewire card installed as well, and an Ethernet card, and it just adds, well, you'll see, about half a minute to the boot time. As you can see, TAM2 is pretty much booted, TAM1 is still ongoing, but now the Sonnet card's loaded, so it's well underway. There you are, both systems completely booted. If I just pan the camera down, you can see the two subwoofers